According to expert predictions, Dogecoin would be worth over $1 within a 5 years time frame. It's believed that with all other fiat currencies moving in and out of Dogecoin, the propensity for the controversial yet Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency to reach the $1 benchmark or even a $10 benchmark is not an unreasonable feat. Currently, Dogecoin is trading at around 6 cents, with Doge price up 6.38% up over the last 7 days. The market cap of Dogecoin is about USD 7.6 billion, with around 128 billion Doge in circulating supply as at the time of recording. The 24-hour price movement chart indicates that about 17.7 million Dogecoins worth are currently trading as we speak. So the question on everybody's mind is, how high can the Dogecoin price go? Well, Dogecoin's price has gone as high as 8 cents, and down to almost 6 cents now. But I tell you what, its price is still going up. And I think this is absolutely the best time to buy in. Today I'm going to be talking why I think you need to buy Dogecoin at 6 cents, some Dogecoin price predictions going forward, and why I think it's going to go up in the future. Hello once again and welcome to Crypto Lion, where we entertain and update you on all types of cryptocurrency related news. Whether you're new to cryptocurrencies or a seasoned investor, whether you need to know when to hodl on the short term or looking for reasons to hodl on through the big dips and swings, Crypto Lion has got you covered. We're here to help you better understand cryptocurrencies as we guide you towards the best path and help you channel your funds, while exposing you to ideas and insights so you can make more with cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to look through the description section every once in a while for some useful links. Today, I'm leaving a special link for our viewers to sign up on Binance and get a lifetime discount of 5% off on trading fees when they sign up via the link in the description. Once again, if you're new here and want to stay up to date with everything to do with cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscription button. And while you're at it, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It's completely free to do so I recommend that you do because it would help both of us out. When you like the video, it helps YouTube's algorithm know to promote the video to more people. More people would find out about the positive side of Dogecoin, more people will buy it, and that means the price of cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin will go up. And all of us will benefit in the process. So make sure you go down and slap a like on this video and turn on the post notification bell as well for the best daily technical analysis and crypto videos. So here is the thing. You might be asking yourself, why would I buy something like this when the creator of Dogecoin just created it as a joke? Basically, this whole Dogecoin thing started out as a joke, and to be honest, what we're going to be discussing in a short while is purely speculative. Hence, while I might advise you to buy into Dogecoin, I don't advise that you contribute way too much of your whole net worth into Dogecoin. I know some might wonder, why so bullish about Dogecoin? There are a lot of other coins out there with even better prospects that have been created through a more strenuous and intellectual process, like Cardano, with an assured sustainability of the platform over time. Some people would argue about the technicalities of it. You know, XRP, some other blockchain technology that doesn't have the same flaws as Bitcoin or whatever. There's a lot of those things out there, but sometimes you have to take a more simplistic view. I think most of the people buying Bitcoin, which is quite a significant number, are not digging deep into the world of cryptocurrencies to unearth those coins that have even more propensity for a 10 times, 20 times, or 30 times year-to-date return on investment. Most of the people buying Bitcoin are not necessarily concerned with how mining works, all the intricacies, and all the technicalities of it. Now, I know you guys watching this video are probably trying to figure out if you should buy Dogecoin at its current price or not. But I can assure you, now is a really good time to buy in, given the price of Dogecoin is not showing any signs of going under within the next couple of weeks. Instead, upwards. As we already know, Bitcoin just recently hit a new all-time high, and it's currently trying to stabilize well around the $60,000 benchmark. If that happens, it means that the price of Dogecoin will most definitely maintain its current price of about 6 cents. Another thing to keep in mind is the possible introduction of institutional money into the Dogecoin ecosystem, through the integration of Dogecoin into Coinbase's platform, the launching of the first ever decentralized exchange to trade Dogecoin without a broker, and the acceptance of Dogecoin by the Mavericks basketball team as payment for tickets and merchandise. Given the current situation, I think Dogecoin is doing pretty well. And if things continue to go on like this for Dogecoin, hopefully if we wait 2 or 3 years, the anticipated profit would be somewhere between the 5 to 20 times range. I know this sounds like a lofty goal, but you can consider this a tip to enter into one of those moonshot types of investments you hear people talking about during a bull run. As we can see from the chart, Dogecoin is completing an ascending triangle and soon to hit the moon in no time. It's currently retracing back to the 6 cents price tag. Looking at the chart, we can see the ascending triangle is close to its completion and soon to break out, and after that, we should expect targets marked on the chart. Firstly, we should expect it to hit the 7.1 cents mark, and then afterwards transcending that position to settle at the 7.7 cents price. This area is considered as a range zone too, as it's now ready for a new pump, and even new highs too. Notice that despite the retracements, the long-term trend shown in the chart above is still intact. The price of Dogecoin is still going up, with a 1.83% increase within the 24 hours time frame. We could also see that when the price moves up, it makes a new high, and when it drops, it begins to rally before reaching the previous low. This movement is one of the tenets of an uptrend, where there are higher highs and higher lows. And while that is occurring, we ascertain that the trend is up and put on a bullish mindset. In addition to the aforementioned reasons why I'm strongly advocating for Dogecoin is this. Irrespective of the fact that Doge is more for fun rather than solving real-life problems, and its value remains unproven, most Dogecoin enthusiasts believe that Dogecoin could hit the $1 mark quite sooner than later. But for that to happen, and according to the co-founder of Dogecoin, Bill Marcus, Dogecoin's market capitalization would have to rise above that of actual companies that provide services to millions of consumers, like Boeing, Starbucks, American Express, and his former employer IBM. Compared to Bitcoin, Doge is more suitable to be futures money because its higher supply and lower price rate. That makes it easier to handle and work with, and a faster transaction speed. And as such, it's tailored for daily payment, and its community culture can easily resonate with the general public. But here we are again at the end of today's video, and once again this is cryptocurrency forecasting, so always keep in mind that these predictions are based off of personal opinion. The content we post on here is mainly for informational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a licensed broker or financial planner, and all financial decisions made by you should be done after talking with a licensed professional. Also, don't invest more than you're willing to lose. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and any money you put in there could disappear the next day. Also, my video content may change over time or become outdated or invalid, depending on when you watch this video. Don't forget to drop your questions or suggestions in the comment section below, and we'll respond to them as soon as we can. Also, if you guys like what you're seeing, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give the video a thumbs up. We post interesting and helpful crypto videos every day, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to check out this page every day for more updates. Hit that like button, turn on post notifications by tapping on the bell icon to watch more interesting videos from Crypto Lion. Good luck and happy investing.